Hello everyone, welcome to Queenly Conversations. I'm Emma. Today we'll learn useful English vocabulary about food. You'll learn new words, easy example sentences and practice speaking with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1, learn new words, food. Now let's learn some useful English words about food. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 1. Apple. Apple. This is an apple. I eat an apple every morning. 2. Banana. Bananas. Bananas are healthy. I like bananas. 3. Bread. Bread. I eat bread for breakfast. 4. Egg. Egg. I usually eat 2 eggs. 5. Cheese. Cheese. This cheese tastes delicious. 6. Chicken. Chicken. I like grilled chicken. 7. Rice. Rice. We eat rice every day. 8. Salad. Salad. This salad is fresh and healthy. 9. Noodles. Noodles. I like eating noodles for lunch. 10. Pizza. Pizza. Pizza is my favorite food. 11. Sandwich. A sandwich. I have a sandwich for lunch. 12. Hamburger. Hamburgers. He likes hamburgers very much. 13. Hot dog. Hot dog. Let's eat a hot dog. 14. French fries. French fries. The French fries are crispy. 15. Cake. Cake. This cake is sweet and delicious. Excellent, you've just learned 15 useful food words. Now, let's see how these words are used in a real conversation. Part 2, Vocabulary in Conversation Now. Let's use today's vocabulary in a real conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Good morning, David. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. I didn't have a big breakfast today.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat a banana.
That sounds healthy. I usually eat an apple and drink a glass of milk.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do. I often put cheese on my sandwich.
Me too. I also like chicken sandwiches. They are delicious.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually eat rice with chicken and a salad. How about you?
Sometimes I eat noodles. Sometimes I have a hamburger with French fries.
That sounds tasty. Do you like pizza?
Yes, pizza is one of my favorite foods.
What about dessert?
I love cake, especially chocolate cake.
Me too. Now I'm getting hungry again.
Maybe it's time for lunch. Great job, you just heard many useful food words in a natural conversation. Now, let's practice speaking together. Part 3, listen and repeat. Excellent, now let's practice speaking together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Take your time, let's begin. Apple. Apple. I eat an apple every morning. One more time. I eat an apple every morning. Bananas. Bananas. I like bananas. One more time. I like bananas. Bread. Bread. I eat bread for breakfast. One more time. I eat bread for breakfast. Egg. Egg. I usually eat 2 eggs. One more time. I usually eat 2 eggs. Cheese. Cheese. I often eat cheese with bread. One more time. I often eat cheese with bread. Chicken. Chicken. I like grilled chicken. One more time. I like grilled chicken. Rice. Rice. We eat rice every day. One more time. We eat rice every day. A salad. A salad. This salad is fresh and healthy. One more time. This salad is fresh and healthy. Noodles. Noodles. I like eating noodles for lunch. One more time. I like eating noodles for lunch. Pizza. Pizza. Pizza is my favorite food. One more time. Pizza is my favorite food. A sandwich. A sandwich. I have a sandwich for lunch. One more time. I have a sandwich for lunch. Hamburgers. Hamburgers. I like hamburgers very much. One more time. I like hamburgers very much. Hot dog. Hot dog. Let's eat a hot dog. One more time. Let's eat a hot dog. French fries. French fries. The French fries are crispy. One more time. The French fries are crispy. Cake. Cake. This cake is sweet and delicious. One more time. This cake is sweet and delicious. Fantastic, you're doing a great job. Let's move on to a fun vocabulary quiz. Part 4, Quick Vocabulary Quiz. Excellent, now let's see how many words you remember. I'll ask you a question, think about your answer, then repeat after me. Let's begin. Question 1. What fruit is red or green? The answer is apple. Great job. Question 2. What fruit is yellow? The answer is banana. Excellent. Question 3. What do many people eat for breakfast? One answer is bread. Very good. Question 4. What comes from a chicken? The answer is egg. Fantastic. Question 5. What food is made from milk? The answer is cheese. Great. Question 6. What meat do many people eat for lunch or dinner? The answer is chicken. Well done. Question 7. What food do many people eat every day in Asia? The answer is rice. Excellent. Question 8. What healthy food is made with vegetables? The answer is salad. Very good. Question 9. What Italian food is round and has cheese on top? The answer is pizza. Awesome. Question 10. What sweet food do people often eat on birthdays? The answer is cake. Fantastic. Wonderful, you remembered many new English words. Let's review today's vocabulary one more time before we finish. Part 5. Review today's vocabulary. Great job. Now let's review all the words we learned today. Listen carefully and repeat after me one last time. Apple. Banana. Bread. Eggs. Cheese. Chicken. Rice. Salad. Noodles. Pizza. Sandwich. Hamburgers. Hot dog. French fries. Cake. Excellent! Today you learned 15 useful English words about food. Remember, learning a few new words every day is one of the best ways to improve your English. Try using these words in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Ending fantastic work today. Thank you for learning English with Queenly Conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. In our next lesson, we'll learn a new vocabulary topic with more useful words and real-life examples. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, have fun learning English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I practice every day. Learning English is fun. I can do it. See you next time.